up mga migs, mga besh, mga bay, mga kapamilya, mga kapuso. Tanan na. Merry Christmas sa inyong tanan. And because later na ang atong Noche Buena, I will teach you how to cook macaroni fruit salad. This is my expertise ever since I was kinder. I want to teach you because I'm very good at this. First, you need a macaroni salad from Del Monte because this is the place where I was born. You need to prepare the cauldron. After washing it, you need to put water because it's 400 grams. Every cup is equivalent to 100 grams. I like it. Every cup, so cup, let's try one cup. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Voila! And that's it, guys. Let's eat. Oh no. Sorry. Here. It's a cooking show. So don't mind the bubot over there because it's the kitchen. Come here. So we need to wait for it to boil first and then we submerge the macaroni over this. But while waiting, I think we need to put the oil first. Do not ever forget this because this is essential so that the macaroni will not stick to the sides of the pan. Just put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. It's so aromatic. This is the oil that we put in our spa. We have a spa actually, and that's what we call lana. So after the oil, let's put a little bit of salt. It's just like half the tablespoon. Put it there and try to roam it around. Try to mix it there. So now that it's boiling, we now put the macaroni, chicken wings, anything macaroni. Put it there, and you need to sing fa la 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 when you put it. Fa la 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 la. Sing the same macaroni. La 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 la. So after you pour it, you minimize the fire into medium size fire, and then you try to mix it. We need to every now and then mix so that it will not stick. I need to check if the consistency and if the salad is well cooked. It is turned up because I think the consistency is very much inchacto. Inchacto is a Spanish word. Macaroni is very conducive to any flavor you like. So chicken macaroni, fruit salad macaroni, and every macaroni, chicken wings. So let's try to shift this, and we turn on the light in 5, 4, 3, 2. So we need a cauldron. So we need to put it in a strainer. So we need a container to put the macaroni. But before that, we will have
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
to put water, running water. Okay, so that we need to clean the macaroni. Clean it with the salty something. Let's put it there. And because it's very hot, so you need to pull it down, down. You get to move it all around. Okay? Actually, when I was way back in California, I have a very big strainer and Calderon, it's like that. So I mix it there. But right now we cannot do it because it's too small. So all you got to do is like get the starch away, and the salt away, and the hotness, warm temperature away by doing this. Now I'm gonna scoop it there. Just gonna drain this. You see, I've been doing this for the past 15 years. Ever since I was 15 years old. You see, there's a consistency in the texture of the macaroni. That's the secret of having a very beautiful and delicious macaroni salad. Okay, because gamay naman ang atong sulanan, di siya maiko, so ibalik na ito din because we need to wash this. Ito itong gilutuan. Hindi na lang ito na ito. Ibalik. Oh, I forgot, it's English. The container here is too small. We need to, because in a relationship, when the partner is too small and you want a bigger one, you need to replace him. So try the bigger one. All you have to do is mix the ingredients. First, you need to, this is the nata, the cocktail. So we drain the juice. So made by Del Monte. That's Del Monte Kitchenomics.
Del Monte Kitchenomics.
And we have the apple tidbits. Pineapple tidbits is rich in fiber, phytochemicals. Alright? Crema all-purpose cream. Crema all-purpose cream. Put it there. Peel it out with the spoon. Okay? And right now, we are gonna add soy sauce. No. We need to add burger. So just buy burger from. No. You need to don't buy burger, huh? Don't buy burger because it's not needed in the salad. Don't forget the condensed milk. And of course, condensed is rich in calcium. Mayonnaise. I think a lot of Filipino like to put mayonnaise in their salad. And then let's try to mix this. So I think I need a bigger lado. Magic! Let's put it there. Now the technique in mixing is very much like a martial artist. You know, the Shaolin would like to cut, then carve, then pick it up, and then drop it in like that. The Chinese from the word Confucius always told us that mixing a salad is the best policy.
Hindi totoo yan.
So I think it's very delicious already looking. It's creamy. Some people would like to put kaong. I don't like kaong. Some people would like to put raisins. I don't like raisins. Right now, it's time for the taste test for the 15 years in the making of my very own macaroni fruit salad. honestly speaking, it's a bit satisfying. I'm not fond of macaroni actually. But because of this, I'm gonna make it my favorite food from now on. Starting from 2021, macaroni, chicken wings, eating macaroni will be my favorite food. So that's it mga mates. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope naka-learn mo sa akong expertise akong share sa inyo. Grabe. As in, sa pila ko nag-study ano niya, ko sa China niya, ko sa India. Please comment down below if classmate mo na ako sa una, katong nag-chef ko dito sa Kuan, sa Mediterranean. And, kadi sa akong gihimo, this is my original. Di ka makakaon ani sa kasa. So original ni siya, Master Bobby. Please subscribe if you want to learn more of my baking skills. And like and comment down below if you want to enroll to my cooking class. Okay? This is my mother. Thank you so much for the accommodation in this house and kitchen. And until next time, bye-bye.
Nay, ang kalayo.
Murag ka na ito, ma.
Ikurot ma.